बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं हूं नाइला भट्टी। आप देख रहे हैं 24/7 न्यूज़ वर्ल्ड। नजर डालते हैं आज की अहम खबर पर।
सऊदी अरब से अरशद अली की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक सऊदी अरब के जंदी शहर अल जबील में अदारा साबी की तरफ से STM 2025 के नाम से एक अजीमुशान नुमाइश का इनकाद किया गया, जिसमें सऊदीया समेत पूरी दुनिया से कारोबारी लोगों ने शिरकत की। इस नुमाइश का मकसद दुनिया में मुख्तलिफ किस्म की सनती पैदावार को एक दूसरे के साथ मुतारफ कराना और रोजगार के मौका फराहम करना है। नुमाइश में आए हुए पाकिस्तानी बिजनेस कम्युनिटी का कहना था कि पाकिस्तान में भी इस तरह की नुमाइशों का इनकाद इंतहाई जरूरी है, जिससे यकीनी तौर पर पाकिस्तानी मुआशरत मजबूत होगी। साबिक ने मुख्तलिफ मुल्की और गैर मुल्की कंपनियों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, जिस पर आकर वो अपने प्रोजेक्ट को लोगों के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। याद रहे, इस नुमाइश में 50 से ज्यादा मुल्कों के नुमाइंदों समेत 500 से ज्यादा सनती कंपनियों ने शिरकत की।
Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon. This is Aslan Khan, General Manager of Harisco Saudi Limited. Today we are going to present you our booth number A18 at Sabiq STM 2025. This is the second day of the event, and Alhamdulillah, Harisco here is presenting their services in the domain of industrial solution. Right from the beginning, you can see that this is our industrial solution for the VOC and wastewater storage pond, and we are serving Sabiq and Aramco for these solutions. Along with that, we have a specialized solution for CCTV and industrial security systems. Iris is our partner from USA. And what we are presenting here are two categories. One is our industrial solution division and industrial services. So in industrial solution, I would like to share the star performer of our services. This is a special hexagonal cover technology which is related to the environment. The purpose of this product is to prevent the VOC and odor emission from the surge pond and storage pond. We have executed several successful projects in Sabiq already, and we are getting good appreciation from Royal Commission and from Aramco and from other different clients. Here you can see the range of our CCTV and security system technology. This is our partner from USA, and they are providing the complete range of CCTV solution, from the simple camera to high resolution cameras for flare, thermal cameras and other industrial solutions. Then we have our industrial services division. Harisco is specialized in EPC and LSTK project. We take care project from the complete life cycle, from the phase of project initiation till planning, execution and successful handover. We have a team available in all disciplines from mechanical, electrical, civil, instrumentation, control, and we provide lump sum turnkey solution. If you see here little bit more detail about our services, this area, I would just brief them one by one. First one is the mechanical and piping solution. We have conducted several successful projects. We have a good team available who can take care of a major, huge static equipment installation, pipeline replacement project we have executed. Then we have a system for the electrical. We have a highly skilled technician, engineers, and staff available for cable laying for LV, MV up to 13.8 kVA. We have in-house capabilities available. We are specialized in instrumentation and control, and especially with the big giants like ABB, Schneider, Honeywell, Yokogawa. We provide them a complete turnkey solution inside the plant. May it would be the installation of instrument in the field or in the control room, in the rec room. We are there to serve them from end-to-end solution. Then we have a big division of civil and infrastructure. We are very much specialized. We have workforce more than 200 manpower available with us, and we do big civil-related infrastructure project. Right now, we are doing one big project in Riyadh, Qiddiya Entertainment City, where we are building more than 20,000 housing facility and taking care of complete civil infrastructure part. Then we are making one new edition of telecommunication in the Saudi chapter, and we have successfully installed one tower in Makkah region last year 6 month back, and now we have 20 more tower inquiry from Abha region. So Harisco is a company who are specialized not only in the typical contracting industry, but we are serving the client from solution part, for telecommunication part, and for industrial and for the infrastructure part. That's all. And this
मजीद खबरों और अपडेट के लिए देखते रहें 24/7 न्यूज़ वर्ल्ड, मुस्तकिल खबरों की दुनिया।